Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm back with another Accenture update video, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys an amazing opportunity with Accenture in the record to report profile. What is the job role? How you guys can apply for this role? What are the eligibility criteria you guys have to meet in order to apply for this role? Each and everything I'm going to cover in this video, so sit back and relax and watch the video till the very end. Before we proceed, I would like to talk about my channel. On this channel, I make videos on job update, interview tips, skill development and MS Excel. So if you guys are interested in any of these topics, consider subscribing to my channel. So in the description of this video, I have given you one link. When you will click on that link, this web page will open. On this web page, you will find all the related information with this job. So the role for which they are hiring is Analyst Record to Report. If you will drag a little, you will see they have given you the complete job description. So the skill required is Record to Report and specifically account reconciliations. Your designation will be Analyst. Your job location will be Gurgaon and the qualification that they need is BCom. If you guys have experience of minimum 3 years or maximum 5 years, only then you can apply for this role. If you have less than 3 years or more than 5 years of experience, you guys cannot apply for this role. Okay, now if you drag a little more, you will see a section called What Would You Do? Here they have mentioned all the necessary information related to this job, so you can read it and get the basic idea what would you be doing in this role. Now if you drag a little more, you will see a section called What Are We Looking For? So this is the skill set section. Here they have mentioned all the necessary skills that they are looking in an ideal candidate. So what are the skills they are looking for? Adaptable and flexible, problem solving skills, detail orientation. So if you guys mention all these skills in your CV, chances of shortlisting of your CV will get higher. Okay, now they have given a section called roles and responsibility, so you guys can read it as well. This will give you more idea about the role. Let's talk about how you guys can apply for this role. So here you have to just click on apply now. This new web page will open. What you guys have to do now, so if you have already registered with Accenture portal, you can simply put your email ID, password, sign in and apply for this role. But in case you haven't registered with Accenture portal, what you can do, drag. Here you will see start application. You have to just click here. This new web page will open. Now what you have to do, put your email ID here, verify it, drag a little more, put your first name, last name, your country and then create your account. Once you have created your account, you can apply for this role. If you guys want to prepare for your interviews, you guys can check out my Record to Report playlist. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. If it is, like it, subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video.